12:28, over halfway through the day now, and the skies are looking pretty sunny out there. Maybe this camera shot doesn't do it justice, but skies are looking clearer and bluer than they were late last week. If you remember, we had some of that Saharan dust, another wave come through. I think especially last Thursday as the air quality dipped to its lowest point late last week. But just a few clouds are out there now, but generally a hot day. A lot of humidity in the air, though. 93 degrees in Weslaco, and the air quality, put yellow in here. It's on the low and the moderate, almost back to good. It's like, you know, if you put it on a scale of, well, I think the numbers go like 0 to 50 good and 50 to 100 moderate. It's like about 55. It's almost back to good. So air is pretty clean if you're out for some exercise today. Not too much of that dust left out there. And it, in general, it looks pretty good most of the week ahead. So breezy and hot weather around today, mostly sunny skies. Mostly sunny skies continue really most days this week. They may get a little cloudier Tuesday and Wednesday. We have a small rain chance Tuesday and Wednesday, but we are talking small. Like if you're thinking, should I water the grass because it's, you know, looking kind of brown? You probably should, because your chances of seeing anything significant are pretty low with these very minimal rain chances Tuesday and Wednesday. Temperatures right now on their way up through the 90s. We're already at 93 in Weslaco and 95 in Rio Grande City. And most places, if you're watching earlier, from about near or just west of McAllen westward, have a chance to hit 100 today. So you look at today's highs, and here they are again. A few more cities added on for you. 103 in Rio Grande City, 104 in Roma expected today, and 102 in San Isidro. McAllen may get to about 99 or so, maybe teetering on 100 today. But, you know, if you don't make it today, you'll have plenty of chances again later this week. 98 in Weslaco, most of the mid and lower valley in the mid to upper 90s today, with 80s right at South Padre Island. Now, you look at the satellite radar just kind of around the region. There are some showers and storms to the north. There's kind of an old front stalled out there in Louisiana and parts of North Texas. You don't see a lot in the western Gulf, but there's a little bit of extra moisture in the air that's going to kind of drift over the area with a very, very weak disturbance in the next couple of days. So that gives us a tiny, tiny rain chance. But if you have to wash your car, probably going to be dry. I mean, if you get rained on, it's just bad luck for you, I guess. But Tuesday and Wednesday are small rain chances. And again, we're talking small, like 10% small in the valley. And you look at it on Future Track, there's not a lot showing up. Mostly sunny this afternoon, a lot of sunshine around, very few clouds, just a few little puffy ones, and dry weather. By the time we get to midnight tonight, you see it's still pretty dry. Tomorrow, notice how it's still mostly sunny in the morning. Maybe a few clouds in the afternoon, but again, a small shower chance. So small you don't really see anything on the map. A little blip here and there, mainly offshore. So again, there might be a little tiny shower tomorrow, Wednesday, but it's very small and not many around. So the first 1-5 AccuWeather 7-day forecast. Mainly we're talking about some hot weather again. Highs averaging near 98 today. Maybe just a couple degrees cooler Tuesday and Wednesday with a few more clouds. But then notice we're right back up in the upper 90s and probably touching 100 or above in many areas. It does look like in general the last half of this week we'll be getting pretty hot, with more places in the valley having a better chance to hit 100 degrees, especially toward next weekend. So the heat is coming back for July. We'll keep tracking it here on Channel 5 News at noon.